Hey guys, welcome to another episode of LJ's Garage. And what we're doing today is I've got to go on a little ride. I don't know my way around this whole Dayton, Ohio area as yet. So what I'm doing is I finally need a mount for my cell phone. So simple as that. I went ahead and I got the little RAM mount. I do like these a lot. I've used them before and it's kind of like the brand that everybody kind of sticks with. They're pretty solid. They get the job done. And, if you have any other recommendations on a good one, drop them down below, but otherwise this is what we're going to be setting up today. Pretty super simple install, and this one is the stem mount, so it makes it pretty easy. You don't have to drill any holes, do anything crazy. The most you have to do is use an X-Acto knife or a regular knife, and if you need adult supervision for that, well then good luck. But we're going to knock that out today, so yeah, let's get right into it. So if you're unfamiliar, this is where your stem mount is. So you go ahead and you can actually just pull this right out, and it's just a little cap that holds that hole filled, whatever. So then what you want to do is you've got to figure out which end of this guy you're going to need to fill that. And so you just go ahead and stick that in there as far as it'll go, and then you're going to leave about 1/8 of an inch right there. Push that in as far as it'll go. Pretty good. And then we're just going to mark a little bit above 1/8 right above that line. And so I've got that marked. I'll pull that out and I've got my line right there. So I'm going to cut that line, and then what I'm going to do is just make sure that this piece is only about 1 inch in length. So then you go ahead and you measure this out, and you got that piece 1 inch in length, and he's going to sit right down in there. You'll see you go ahead and configure everything to look just like that. All the pieces are easily identifiable, and you just make it look exactly like that. I went ahead and assembled everything, and you can see, stuck that all the way down in there. Just followed the instructions, made it look exactly like they did, and it's supposed to sit flush. I could trim a little bit more off there, or just force this down just a little bit, and it's about flush. Good enough. You got everything installed. It's nice and sturdy. The one thing I don't like is that it rotates a little bit, which is, I guess, kind of good, but once you put your key in, it doesn't really matter if it's in your way or not. But that's my one complaint with that, but easy enough. RAM mount, X grip, and I'll test it out and see how it is. Follow up later. That's it though. Peace, guys.